What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Freedom Motivator channel. Got a pretty good video for you today. I'm going to show you 7 different types of lead magnets or free offers that you can use to give away to your customers or leads or prospects in your marketing funnel efforts. Okay? If this is your first time here coming to the channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button down there at the right, and don't forget to ding dong the bell so you get notified when we post again. Okay? Alright, so we'll be right back here in a moment. We'll jump right in this thing and I'll show you these offers that you can give away to your customers for free, and it'll get you more leads, hopefully. Alright, be right back in just a moment. Welcome back, everybody, to the Freedom Motivator channel here. Got some leads here I'm going to show you today that will give you some free offers and things and lead magnets that you can give away to your customers as a offer to opt into your email forms for your autoresponder and get you leads, okay, and hopefully conversions too. All right, so these there's 7 of them here altogether, and we'll go through them one at a time here. And the first one is free funnels. You can give, if you've made some free, if you've made some funnels that you've used and they've worked for you, and you're no longer using them, you can give those away for free to as an offer on your funnel or whatever your marketing efforts are. You want to make sure that those funnels work. If they've been good, you don't want to just make something up without testing it and then give it to your customer. If it's not going to work, it should be a working funnel that you're not using anymore, that you want to give to them as an offer. Okay. Also, all that they'll have to do is they'll just need to take and they can put it into their editor and then edit it to their liking, or however that is for them. Okay, so that's the first one. Any kind of a free funnel that you're not using anymore and you know that works, you want to give them something valuable. This is all about giving away value. You want to give lots of value to people to help them out so that they can have something that helps them, so make a good customer for you. All right, so that's one, free funnels. And then another one, the number 2 one, is you can, if you've made up some automations, some free automations, like for example, if you set up something like in ManyChat or Facebook Messenger or any other type of automation platform that would help a customer out, you can give that away to them too, which will help them as well. And that'll all they'll need to do then is just, of course, just set it up so it works with their information and so on and so forth. All right, and then number 3 is add checklists. People like to have checklists. That's always attractive to people, that you can give away, such as if you have any ads that you've used that are good for you or work for you, or you've got some videos that show different ad lists or whatever like that, you can share a video with them from your YouTube channel or whatever. And that's another good thing that you can give away too, because people like different checklists that they can run down and check different things out that'll help them in their marketing as well, and efforts and stuff. And then number 4 is swipe files for email. Excuse me. If you're good at writing copy and you're good at writing emails, which, by the way, you can down below, you'll notice in the links down there, I have an email marketing masterclass that I've created. It's actually was created by my friend Chad Bartlett, and he created it. I just edited it a little bit and then offered it to you too, and it's free. It's 100% free. Doesn't cost anything, and you can go through that, and that'll give you some ideas and teach you a little bit about how to be a good copywriter as well as in writing too. So, but if you already know this and you're already good at it, and you have some good email copy, you can give that away for free too to your customers, and as a lead magnet in your funnels and stuff, in a free offer. And so that'll help them too, you know. And all they would need, of course, just to edit it to their liking too in that way. And then number 5 is the most profitable niches list or product list. You know, if you have like a product list, a list of hot products, say for example that Amazon is selling, or ClickBank or something like that, you know, of hot products lists that you can give away too. People always like, you know, product lists, such as like the ad checklists up there a moment ago. You can do the same thing with most profitable niches and product lists. You know, people like those kinds of things. Anything that will help them. You know, you're giving them value. That's the main thing. It's things that will help the customer and give good value to them. Okay, and then number 6 is complimentary training. Videos, AdWords, like if you have any for Shopify, social media, blogging, or WordPress, you see there. If you have training, if you're good with training and different things, and you've made videos for training, for like doing AdWords or doing Facebook ads or Shopify ads or social media, blogging, WordPress, whatever along those lines, you can give that training away for free too. You know, such as like I mentioned to you a moment ago for the swipe files, I'm giving away the email marketing masterclass training for free, which has so much value in it to my customers and my leads too. And you can get involved in this and to be able to do that same thing. That's a really good lead magnet too, to give away that free marketing class. You can get involved in that too. So just watch it and then get involved with it, and you can have that too. In fact, Chad tells you in that class that you can use what he's created for your own marketing efforts too, and it's a great giveaway also. That link is down below. You'll see it. It's a Google shortened Google link to the email marketing class. You can click on that. And so yeah, if you're good with videos and you have good training videos and on different things, you can certainly give that away for your lead magnets as well. Okay, and then number 7, of course, is ebooks. PLR ebooks, public license right ebooks. You want to make sure that you get one that doesn't have any limitations on it, such as copyrighted material. You can't use that because you'll get yourself caught into legal issues then. But just do a search on Google for public license right or PLR ebooks. You'll find tens of thousands of them, and then just pick one that matches your niche that you're marketing in, and you can use that to give away for free. Put that thing up, like I told you in the videos I made a week ago about how to build a funnel in Builderall platform. You can put that up on like Google Docs or what's the other one? There's Google Docs and another one I can't think of it right now. But yeah, Google Docs, you can put it up there and get the share link and then share it, and then anybody that opts into your email and to get that ebook can just go there and copy it or download it or read it right there, whichever they want. So that's a good one to give away too, is free ebooks. So that's the seven things I wanted to show you guys today. Free funnels, anything automated, any checklists of any kind, swipe files for email. If you're good at writing email copy, that can help them out. And your most profitable niches and product lists. People like those things, and complimentary training videos for different things, like if you have videos like in affiliate marketing or AdWords or anything like that that you want to give away for free, that's always a good option too. and then your ebooks. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Just kind of a short video here, quick 10-minute video, and share this with you today. So hope you got some value out of this, and don't forget to check my links down below if you want to see the free video on my #1 business and get 15 high-powered marketing steps, all for the $30. Just click on mentorwithkev.com down below. I got it right there on the screen right now too. Just click on mentorwithkev.com and you'll see that, and that'll give you an idea about the business that I'm involved in. It's a high-ticket business, selling high-ticket products, and it's a very good quality thing. All right, and then check out my other links down there, and don't forget to comment, like, and share these videos with other people you think that might be interested in them. And I'll talk to you next time on the next video, okay? All right, thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and stuff, too, all right? I'll see you later. Bye now.